Will removing salt corrosion improve the appearance and functionality of my aluminum?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the topic of removing salt corrosion and its impact on the appearance and functionality of aluminum. If you own aluminum objects or surfaces that have been exposed to salt and are looking for ways to restore their condition, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in.
Understanding salt corrosion on aluminum.
Salt corrosion occurs when aluminum comes into contact with saltwater or salt-laden environments. The presence of salt can lead to the formation of corrosive compounds on the aluminum surface, such as aluminum oxide. This corrosion not only affects the appearance but can also impact the functionality of the aluminum object.
Effects of salt corrosion on appearance.
When aluminum is corroded by salt, it often develops a dull, pitted, or discolored appearance. The once smooth and shiny surface may become rough and unattractive. Removing salt corrosion can significantly improve the appearance of the aluminum by restoring its original luster and smoothness. By eliminating the corrosive compounds, you can bring back the aesthetic appeal of the aluminum object or surface.
Effects of salt corrosion on functionality.
Beyond the appearance, salt corrosion can also compromise the functionality of aluminum. Corrosion can weaken the metal, leading to structural damage or reduced performance. For example, in the case of aluminum boats or structures exposed to saltwater, corrosion can weaken the integrity of the material, making it less reliable and potentially unsafe. By removing salt corrosion, you can help preserve the structural integrity and functionality of the aluminum object.
Methods for removing salt corrosion.
Now that we understand the importance of removing salt corrosion, let's explore some methods to accomplish this. There are various techniques available, depending on the extent of the corrosion and the type of aluminum object you are dealing with. Here are a few common methods. 1. Mechanical cleaning. This involves physically scrubbing or sanding the corroded areas to remove the salt deposits. It can be effective for light corrosion or smaller objects. 2. Chemical cleaning. Chemical cleaners specifically designed to remove corrosion can be used. These cleaners often contain mild acids or alkaline solutions that dissolve the corrosive compounds without harming the aluminum surface. It's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety precautions when using chemical cleaners. 3. Electrolytic cleaning. In more severe cases of corrosion, electrolytic cleaning can be employed. This method utilizes an electrical current and a solution to remove the corrosion from the aluminum. It is best performed by professionals familiar with the process. Remember, the method you choose should be appropriate for the specific aluminum object you are treating. Seek professional advice if you are unsure about the best approach. In conclusion, removing salt corrosion from aluminum can indeed improve both its appearance and functionality. By eliminating the corrosive compounds, you can restore the original luster and smoothness of the aluminum surface, making it more visually appealing. Additionally, removing corrosion helps preserve the structural integrity and functionality of the aluminum object, ensuring its continued reliability. So, if you're dealing with salt corrosion on your aluminum items, consider taking the necessary steps to restore and maintain their condition. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.